Start. Action. Yeah.
Good morning everyone. I am Aarti Anand Naik. I am here to share something about time management. In every walk of life we need time management. So what's time management? See, everybody has 24 hours in a day. But while most of us struggle to complete our task in this time frame, but there are those who manage their time so efficiently that they have time for almost everything. Time is precious. Once it's gone forever. Though time is money, it can't be saved, it can be stored, or it can't be invested. It can be either used wisely or it can be wasted. There is stipulated time for everything in our life, be it education, career, marriage, and child. School, colleges, and offices, they follow certain timetable. If we look at departure, arrival schedule, and our traffic signal system, there is also some time management. Day and night and 4 seasons are the best example of nature's time management. So if had there not been any time management, we would not have been able to survive.
Okay.
So how to manage time? How to manage the work entrusted to us? First of all, we should make a to-do list, and for that we can keep diary or notebook. Then prioritize your work. Keep the important task on the top. Break largest task into smaller one so that it can be done easily. Delegate your work. See, you can pass on some of your not so important work to others and help them, keep tab on them and help them in getting it done. Don't procrastinate. Unnecessarily delaying and postponing your small tasks will lead to a big pending work and frustration. Don't be over finicky. Being particular is good, but being over particular, being picky, being more fussy will unnecessarily delay your task. So try to ignore certain things. Weekly evaluation is also important. On weekends, you can check your diary, you can see the assignment, so you will be prepared for the week. Ahead. Then while setting timetable, you always give time for rest, sleep, relaxation, eat and exercise. Healthy lifestyle will also increase your focus, concentration and your efficiency. While doing big tasks, you avoid distractions like unwanted calls, unwanted SMSs, messages, and even unwanted person also. So thus by managing your time, you can minimize your stress, frustration and improve your quality of life. So finally I want to add here that time management will help you in achieving your personal, family, career goal. And so be a efficient time manager and climb a ladder of success. Thank you very much.